Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have a oldie but goodie for you today. Principles of Business, Paper 1, all the way back from May-June 2012. Now, I wasn't going to go this far back in these papers for these subjects, but because, the syllabus would have changed a lot since then. So the structure of the questions and stuff like that would have changed since then. But as I went through this paper, I realized that a lot of the questions still are the same as the previous years. So many of the questions, I guess, originated from back then. So that is why I chose to go so far back with this paper, oldie but goodie. All right, so let's just jump into it one time. Barter is best described as and the best answer here is C, exchange of goods and services without the use of money. So that's the keyword there, without the use of money. Number 2, which of the following is not a function of money? And the answer here is A, indivisibility. Number 3, which of the following types of business environment is most typical of the Commonwealth Caribbean area? And the best answer here is B, we have mixed economies. Only Cuba, who is not Commonwealth like that, has the planned. Number 4, private enterprise is run mainly to, of course, create a profit. That's the main objective of a business, to make a profit. Number 5, which of the following is not an objective of the public sector? And so that's to A, maximizing profits. Number 6, the primary role of human resource department of an organization is to B, hire, recruit, train, and motivate workers. Number 7 refers to this diagram right here. The relationship between the highest level of management down to the various departments is known as, and so the best answer here is A, line. Line shows the relationship between management and the various members of departments. Number 8, which of the following involves selecting the objectives and procedures for achieving goals? And the answer here is A, planning. Number 9, the main purpose of installing suggestion box in a company is to get workers' views about. The best answer is C, ways of improving the workplace. Number 10, which of the following statements best describe an authoritarian leader? So that's C, making decisions without consultation, to do it on their own. Number 11, a major role of the trade union is to B, advance the welfare of its members. Number 12, which of the following are functions of the entrepreneur? And the answer here is C, number 2 and 3, which is coordinate the factors of production, and 3, undertaking risk and anticipating demand. Number 13, an entrepreneur may reduce his risk of loss by planning ahead. Number 14, the most important use of the collateral security to the lender is that it B, can be seized if the borrower fails to repay. And then we have number 15, the condensation of the business plan is contained in the D, executive summary. Number 16, which of the following cannot be used as collateral for obtaining a loan from a financial institution? And so the best answer here is C, legally owned property not covered by insurance. And the reason why this is chosen is because if you put up a house that is not insured for collateral and that house burns down, there's no way of getting back that money. So you have to be insured to be compensated. Number 17, a post-dated check is one which A, is dated for payment at a future date. Future date. 18, a contract may be discharged by breach. 19, the monthly payments collected by an insurance company on behalf of its policyholders are known as B, premiums. Number 20, which of the following types of checks allow an individual to receive cash on demand? And the answer is A, the open check. Number 21, which of the following types of capital used for the day-to-day operation of a business? The answer is D, working capital. Number 22, which of the following business may best be classified as a cottage industry? The best answer here is B, Mary's Craft Supplies, located at home. Number 23, the movement of educated, skilled people to settle in other industrialized countries is referred to as, and of course that's the brain drain phenomenon, the brain drain. Number 24, the holding of jobs for which employees are overqualified is referred to as the underemployment. 25, the introduction of mechanization in the production process may affect society by A, reducing jobs for unskilled workers. 26, which of the following is a feature of perfect competition? C, many buyers, many sellers. 27, which of the following is least likely to result from growth in an organization? C, increased communication. Number 28, which of the following can be described as marketing activity? B, distributing commodities to outlets. Number 29, a market in economic terms is defined as, and the best answer here is D, a situation which exists when buyers and sellers influence the price of goods. Number 30, which of the following is not a function of the retailer? And the answer is D, transporting goods to suitable storage facilities. 31, the term loss leader is best described as a product which C is sold cheaply to attract customers. 32, which of the following gives identity to a specific producer's goods? And the best answer here is B, brand. The brand give identity to the goods. 33, which of the following factors are likely to influence customers when choosing toothpaste? And the best answer here is all of the above, which is the size, of course, the brand, and the flavor. All is about personal taste. Alright, so that's D, 1, 2, and 3. Number 34, market equilibrium exists when, and the best answer here is C, at current prices, the amount buyers wish to buy equals the amount sellers wish to sell. Number 35, which of the following can have its shares traded on the stock exchange? And the answer is B, the public company. 36, Mr. Jones has several bills of fixed amounts to pay each month. His bank manager agreed to pay them monthly from Mr. Jones' account. This service provided by the bank refers to C, standing order. 37, which of the following is a stock market identified? And the best answer is B, risk and benefits. 38, Tom invests his savings by buying shares in a company. From this investment, Tom expects to receive B, dividends. 39, one of the major functions of central bank is to A, issue notes and coins. 40, which of the following services is provided by commercial banks? And the answer is D, accepting deposits from customers. 41, which of the following measures may be used by government to protect consumers? And so the best answer here is 1, 2, and 3, which is taxation, price control, and provision of subsidies. Alright, so nobody going to tell me that taxation is not used to protect customers, because the government can put tax on certain goods like tobacco, alcohol, to prevent people from consuming too much. Number 42, government can influence business activity positively by reducing, of course, taxes. 43, tax paid on wages and salaries is referred to as income tax. B, income tax. 44, which of the following actions by government is most likely to lead to an improvement in the standard of living? And the best answer is C, abolishing taxes on low incomes. 45, which of the following measures are used by government to redistribute income? Best answer C, pay as you earn and national insurance. 46, which of the following forms of taxation is imposed on goods produced in a country? And the answer is A, the excise duty tax. Number 47, which of the following forms of taxation requires every employee to pay the same percentage of his salary in taxes? And the best answer here is the proportional tax. So D, the proportional tax system. 48, a company has a favorable balance of trade when A, it sells more than it buys. When it sells more than it buys, that means it exports more than it imports. 49, which the buying and selling of goods and services among countries is called B, international trade. 50, which of the following practices would not contribute to the economic development and growth of a country? Would not. And so the best answer is C, increased importation of consumer goods. 51, which of the following is likely to affect the standard of living in a country? And so the best answer here is all of the above, which is a high crime rate, yes, a low literacy rate, yes, and widespread pollution. So the answer is D, 1, 2, and 3. Number 51, which of the following is not a feature of free trade? And of course the answer is A, protectionism. Number 53, a government can correct an adverse balance of payment problem by B, increasing custom duties. When you increase custom duties, it deters people from importing stuff because it becomes too expensive, so they buy local. 54, which of the following is not a benefit of international trade? C, import restrictions can be imposed on foreign items. 55, which of the following methods can government use to reduce unemployment? And so the best answer is C, employment levy on firms. Number 56, which of the following is a feature of the economic dualism in the Caribbean? And so the best answer here is the rural-urban migration, where people move from the rural areas, which is the one that's normally underdeveloped, to the urban areas, which is the parts that are normally developed in the economic dualism. 56, which of the following organizations would settle a dispute among banana-producing countries of the Caribbean and Central America over preferential agreement in the European Community? And so the best answer is A, the World Trade Organization. 58, which of the following major economic problems facing many Caribbean countries? And so the answer is all of the above. D, which is 1, high levels of unemployment, 2, lack of capital investment, and 3, low productivity in manufacturing. 59, in periods of inflation, the ability to raise additional capital for expansion is most likely to be a problem for, and the answer is A, the sole trader, because only them alone, so they can't depend on anybody to help them raise capital. Number 60, which of the following agreements is Barbados promoting when it sells furniture to Jamaica? And the best answer here is D, CARICOM. Alright, so that's a quick run through of the 2012 Principles of Business paper, the May-June 2012 Principles of Business paper 1. And as you can see, a lot of the questions were pushed forward in later papers. Alright, so that's why it's so quickly run through this one right there. Alright, so that's it for now. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share the videos, and stay tuned for more from Learn SKN.